Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this video, we'll be going over how to create your first Teespring storefront by adding your header, banner, products, updating your about section, and more. But before we get started, make sure you've subscribed to the channel and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I upload new tutorials. So now let's go over the entire process to create your storefront on Teespring. After you've logged in, click on your email address at the top right and you should see a drop-down menu appear. From here, you want to click on the tab that says Storefronts. Here's where you can create new storefronts on Teespring. Near the bottom of the page, you should see a button that says Get Started. Go ahead and click that now. So the first thing you're going to do is name your new store. For my example store, I'll be uploading designs in the martial arts niche, so I'll name my store Martial Art Lifestyle. Once you've selected a name for your store, go ahead and click on the Create Store button. Here's where you can start editing your storefront. The first thing I'm going to do is update my header. So let's look at the menu on the left hand side and click on the Header tab. Currently, my header simply displays my store title, but I want to change this to my Martial Art Lifestyle logo. So let's look at the section that says Store Identity and select the option that says Upload a Logo. You should then see the Upload Logo button appear. Go ahead and click that now. You can then find and select the logo that you want to use for your header. If you look at the store preview on the right hand side, you'll see that my title has now been replaced with my logo. Next, let's select your header background color. If you click the drop down menu under Store Theme Color, you'll be able to select any color you wish to use for your header and your store theme. Make sure you select the color that matches your brand and also complements your logo. For my background, for example, I wouldn't select a black background color because it would make my logo hard to see. So for my store theme color, I think I'll go with this dark gray here. To create consistent branding that's also on your product listing pages, make sure the Extend Brandings to Products button is switched to on. Once you're finished, go ahead and click on Save. Now that we're finished with our header, let's go down and click on the Banner tab. Here's where you can add a banner image to your storefront. For Teespring, your ideal banner image should be 1600 by 200 pixels. One of my favorite places to create banners and other images is canva.com. So let's head there now to create a banner for my new store. From the Canva homepage, let's click on the button on the left hand side that says Create a Design. From the drop down menu, go ahead and click on Custom Dimensions. Go ahead and type in the recommended dimensions for Teespring, which is 1600 pixels by 200 pixels. You can then click the Create Design button. Here's where you can start designing your own custom banner for your Teespring storefront. From the Templates tab, you can see tons of different free templates that are available for you to use. For my banner image, I think I'll start with this template here. Once you've selected your template, you can then update your template with your own text, colors, and images. Simply select the image or text that you wish to update, then use the toolbar up top to make your changes. If you wish to update or add your own image, look at the menu on the left hand side and click on the Uploads tab. You can then click the button up top to upload any images that you wish to use for your banner. For my banner, I created a mock-up image with people wearing a shirt with my Martial Art Lifestyle logo. If you wanted to create your own mock-ups to use for your banner or for marketing, check out the link to the mock-ups generator in the video description. Once your images upload, simply click the image and drag it over to your banner. Once you finish updating your banner, you can now download the image to use for your Teespring storefront. So let's look at the top right, click on the drop-down menu beside Publish, then click on Download. Make sure your file type is set on PNG, then click on the Download button. Once you've downloaded your banner, we can now head back over to Teespring. Let's click on the Upload Image button and upload the banner that we just created. And voila! My banner has been added to my Teespring store. So let's go up to the top here and click on Save. So now that my Teespring store has a header and a banner, we can now start adding products to our store. If you've already created one or more products, simply go down to the Products tab. You can then click on the Add Products button and select any of the products that you've already created to add to your new storefront. But for those that haven't created a product yet, let's quickly go over the steps to create your first product on Teespring. Look at your store preview on the right hand side, go down and click on the button that says Create a Product. This should take you to the page where you can select the product that you wish to create. You have several options to choose from, but for this example, I'm just going to select the unisex men's t-shirts. This product also has multiple styles you can choose from. For this video, I'm going to select the classic tee. You can then select whether you'll be buying this shirt yourself or selling it on the Teespring marketplace. Since we're creating a storefront, let's select the sale option. You should then be taken to the page where you can start creating your product. For this product, you have the options to add your designs to the front or back of the shirt. If you only wanted to add text to your product, simply click the Add Text button here. You can then type in the text that you wish to add and make edits to your text, such as changing the font or the color using the toolbar up top. But for my product, I want to add my martial art lifestyle logo. So let's delete this text by selecting the text and clicking the trash can at the top left. To add my logo, let's go over to the menu on the left hand side and click on the Add Image button. I can now select my martial art lifestyle logo to add to my product. Once your image uploads, you can then resize your image or drag it to a new location. But make sure your image and your text stays within the rectangular print area. Once you finish editing your image, you can now select your product colors. On the left hand side, go ahead and click the plus sign under Choose Product Colors. From here, you can select all the background colors you wish to offer for this product. Make sure the colors that you select complement your design. Once you're finished, go ahead and click on Done. Next, you can set the price for your product for both US customers and European customers. To the right hand side of the price, you can also see the profits you'll make per sale. As you change the price of your product, you'll notice that your profit per sale will also change as well. Once you finish updating your prices, go ahead and click on Continue. This will take you to the page where you can choose to add even more products. Teespring offers a range of different apparel items and accessories that you can sell in your store. This includes t-shirts, hoodies, leggings, phone cases, and even coffee mugs. To add a new product, simply select the product you wish to add and the style. For each product and style that you select, I recommend you click the Edit button and make sure your image has the correct size and location, and update your colors and pricing if you wish as well. Each time you add a new product, you'll see it appear on the left hand side here. Once you finish adding all the products you wish to add for this design, go ahead and click on Continue. You can then create your product listing by adding a title and a description for your design. When writing your title and description, make sure you're using good keywords so people will be able to find your design on Teespring. To select the product view and color that the buyers will see when they visit your Teespring store, go ahead and click on Edit here. For my product, I want the buyers to see the front of the shirt, and I think I'll go with this steel gray color here. Once you select your view and color, go ahead and click on Done. You can now update the URL for this product listing, which is the link for people to get to this design, and your product visibility. If you're planning to sell this to the marketplace, make sure your product visibility is set to public. Now that we've selected our products and created our listing, we can now add this design to our store. If you've already created multiple storefronts, you can click the drop-down arrow here and click the store you wish to add this design to. I'll be adding my design to the store we just created, which is Martial Art Lifestyle. Once you're finished, go ahead and click on Publish Listing. Your new design and products will then be uploaded to the Teespring marketplace. And there we have it. This is how my listing will look when people visit this product from my Teespring storefront. Customers can select the product they wish to purchase, choose from any of the available colors, select the product size, and the quantity they wish to order. So let's scroll back up to the top and click on the View in Store button here. This will take you to the storefronts page where you can view all the stores that you've created. So before we check out a store preview, let's finish editing my Martial Art Lifestyle storefront by clicking the Edit button at the top right here. This will take us back to our storefront editing menu. On the right hand side, you can see the products that we just added to our store. Also, if you click on the Products tab, it will also list the products that have been added. So now that we've gone over the process to create and add products to your storefront, let's edit our store's About section. First, let's add your store description. Here you can welcome your customers to your store and tell the story behind your brand and your products. Next, if you have your own website, you can add a link to your site here so customers can visit. You can also add links to all of your brand's social media pages as well. This is a great way to engage with your customers and to offer them more value. Once you're finished, Go ahead and click on Save. And finally, let's check out the Settings tab. From here, you can update your storefront's URL permalink, which is the link that people will use to get directly to your store. You can also select whether to enable or disable product categories and cross-selling. I recommend leaving these on. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Save. And congratulations, you just finished creating your very first storefront on Teespring. Now that we're finished, let's head over to my storefront and see how it looks. I've actually already added more products to my store so you can get a better idea of how your store will look when you add more designs. So from the storefronts page, let's go down to my martial art lifestyle store and click on the View Store button. And here's my new Teespring storefront. I have my header up top, I have the banner that we created, and I have all my products listed. Under all products, customers can scroll down and view all the different designs, products, and styles that you currently have listed in your store. Customers can also use the menu above your banner to navigate each of your product categories. Under apparel, my store currently has unisex men's t-shirts, women's t-shirts, hoodies and sweatshirts, tank tops, long sleeve shirts, and women's athletics. If customers select long sleeve tees, they'll see all of my designs that are available in this style. Under the homewares category, I currently have one mug available. And under accessories, I currently have phone cases, stickers, bags, and socks. From the About tab, you can see the store description that you created and your website and social media links. So that's a quick overview of how to create your first Teespring storefront. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.